Hi guys, so this week's activity is going to be focused on To Kill a Mockingbird Chapter 12 vocabulary words. So I have gone in and I've made a list of 12 vocabulary words that are all found in Chapter 12 that are important for you guys to know. So what you're going to do for this week is starting off, you're going to pick 5 of these vocab words that I've created the list of. So you're just going to take 5 of them, and those 5 that you pick today are going to be the 5 vocab words that you use for the entire week. So they're going to have an assignment on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You will not have an assignment from me on Friday. So the assignment for you on Monday is to use the 5 words that you picked, and you're going to want to look up a dictionary definition of that word, and then you're going to want to add in your own words a definition. So something that's easy to understand, it's in your own words, just a quick, short, simple, straight to the point definition that gets your point across. So I have gone in and I have given you guys an example of what that's going to look like and what I expect from you. So I have used the word altercation. So the dictionary definition of an altercation is a heated or angry dispute, noisy argument, or controversy. So the definition that I have provided in my own words is an argument or verbal fight. I'm not looking for anything super over the top. It does not need to be more than one sentence. Just something that gets the point across that lets me know that you do understand what this vocab word is saying. Something that's easily understandable. Think about if one of your friends asked you what a word meant and that was the definition that you gave them. You wouldn't give them the actual dictionary definition, so don't give me the dictionary definition for your personal definition. I just want it to be in your own words. So your assignment sheet is going to look like this when you get it. So I'm going to delete my add-in. So this is what yours is going to look like. It's going to have all of this on here, and then you've got just your 5 words, so you're going to want to put your word here, the dictionary definition here, and then your own personal definition here. It's easy, straight to the point. It should not take you a super long time to do at all. And so then moving forward for the assignments Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I'm going to pop on here with another video describing to you what I'm looking for those assignments. I'm going to use the same word. I'm going to use altercation for all of the assignments, just so that way you guys get a good idea of what is expected of you moving into these assignments. So have a nice week. I will be seeing you guys Tuesday with another video and another example. I hope it's not too difficult. It should not take very long for you guys to do this at all. Have a nice day.